Welcome back. Today you will listen to a calm English story. This story is for A2 level learners. The story is simple and slow. It is made to help you relax and practice listening. Our main character today is Sofia. She is spending a calm day in the city. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. Story 2: A Calm Day in the City with Sofia. Sofia is sitting on her balcony with a cup of warm coffee. The morning is calm and quiet, and the city is slowly waking up. She holds the cup with both hands, and the coffee smells good. She drinks slowly and looks around. She feels calm and relaxed, and she enjoys this quiet moment. She does not feel rushed and does not need to hurry today. She looks at the sky, and the light feels soft and gentle. The air feels fresh as she takes a deep breath. She feels peaceful inside and enjoys starting the day like this. She wants the day to stay calm. After finishing her coffee, Sofia goes inside. She gets ready for a walk and chooses simple, comfortable clothes. She wants to feel free while walking. She looks in the mirror, feels good about herself, and smiles a little. She takes her bag, checks her keys, and leaves her apartment. Outside, the street feels alive and friendly. People are walking to different places, and cars are moving slowly. Sofia walks down the street at a slow pace. She looks at the buildings and notices small details. She sees old windows and balconies with plants. She likes the old style of the city and feels curious. While she is walking, she looks at shop windows. The windows are colorful, with clothes, shoes, books, and bags. She does not need to buy anything. She enjoys looking and imagining while walking. She feels relaxed and likes walking without plans. After some time, Sofia sees a small bookstore. The bookstore looks quiet and cozy, and she feels drawn to it. She likes bookstores and needs a new book. She decides to go inside and opens the door slowly. Inside, the store feels calm, with soft light and the smell of paper. She feels comfortable and safe inside. She walks between the shelves and looks at many book covers. She reads some titles and touches the books gently. She wants a pleasant and light story. She looks for a romantic novel. After a while, she finds a book she likes. The cover feels nice, and the story sounds interesting. She feels happy with her choice. She buys the book, thanks the cashier, and leaves the bookstore. She holds the book close to her and feels excited. She already thinks about reading it later. She continues walking through the city. After some time, she reaches a shopping mall. The mall is bright and busy, with many people and stores. Sofia walks slowly through the mall and looks around. She notices the lights and listens to the sounds. She feels curious but calm and does not feel stressed. She does not need to buy clothes and only enjoys the atmosphere. While walking, she notices a perfume store. The store looks elegant, and soft music plays inside. She decides to go in. Inside, the air smells wonderful, and there are many scents. She feels enchanted and relaxed. She tries one perfume, but the smell feels too strong. She tries another one, and this one feels fresh. She smiles softly and tries one more scent. This one feels warm and gentle. She likes how it makes her feel calm and confident. She decides to buy this perfume. She pays at the counter and leaves the store with a smile. She feels pleased with her choice. Outside again, the street feels warm, and the sun is still high. Sofia continues walking. After some time, she sees a small summer cafe. The cafe has tables outside on a cozy street. The buildings around are old and beautiful, with special architecture. Sofia chooses a table outside and sits down slowly. She feels comfortable there and looks around. She watches people walking by and enjoys the atmosphere. She orders a coffee and a small cake. She wants something sweet and waits patiently. She feels relaxed while waiting and listens to city sounds. She feels inspired. Her order arrives, and the cake looks delicious. She eats slowly and enjoys the taste. She drinks her coffee and feels happy and satisfied. She stays at the cafe for a while, watching people and thinking quietly. She feels calm inside. After finishing her coffee, she stands up, pays, and leaves the cafe. She decides to go to the park because she needs fresh air. She walks toward the park. Trees move softly in the wind. People sit on benches, talk, read books, or have picnics. Children play and laugh. The park feels lively. Sofia walks slowly through the park and enjoys the green colors. She feels peaceful. She finds a fountain where water moves and shines. The air feels fresh near the water. Sofia sits near the fountain and takes out her book. She opens it carefully and starts reading. The story feels gentle, and she likes the words. She feels calm while reading. Time passes slowly, and she forgets about everything else. After some time, the light changes, and the sun starts to go down. The air becomes cooler. Sofia closes the book and feels satisfied. She stands up and leaves the park. She walks back home. The city looks different now, with street lights turning on. Windows shine softly, and the streets feel magical. Sofia walks slowly and enjoys the evening lights. She feels calm and safe. When she arrives home, she opens the door and takes off her shoes. She feels comfortable at home. She goes to the kitchen because she wants something light to eat. She prepares a small salad and eats slowly. She enjoys the simple food and feels relaxed. After eating, she goes to the living room. She sits on the sofa and opens her book again. Soft music plays in the background. She makes a cup of tea and drinks it slowly. She feels cozy and warm. She continues reading and feels peaceful. Later, she calls her friend to share her thoughts. They talk calmly and laugh softly. The conversation feels pleasant, and Sofia feels connected. After the call, she hangs up. She wraps herself in a blanket and lies down on the sofa. She thinks about her day. It was a simple and beautiful day. She feels grateful. She closes her eyes, feels calm and safe. Slowly, Sofia falls asleep. This is the end of the story. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed this calm day with Sofia. If you want to relax and practice English, you are in the right place. Take a deep breath and enjoy the calm moment. See you in the next story.